And condemnation from the Jamaica Labour Party leader and Prime Minister Andrew Holness about the People's National Party's stance about the change in the day of its final meeting. Mr. Holness was speaking at a JLP meeting in Manchaniel, Portland. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
All eyes are on East Portland, not only because of Thursday's by-election, but on Tuesday, both political parties will be holding mass rallies in the parish capital at the same time. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson is promising increased manpower to oversee both meetings. JLP leader Andrew Holness has taken issue with the PNP's instance in moving its rally from Sunday night.
My investigation revealed that before nomination, there was a meeting of the police and representatives of both political parties contesting this election. It was agreed that the final meetings for the PNP would be held tonight in Port Antonio, and our final meeting would be held on Tuesday in Port Antonio.
He questioned the opposition's regard for law and order.
Now let me be clear. The democracy of the country is important. But the basis of democracy is law and order. I don't know how them going to work it out. But if there is no order, then you're not going to have a genuine democracy. So if they claim that they believe in democracy, then they must set the example for order.
And turning to another issue, Mr. Holness has described as lies matters being raised on the PNP platform. He says voters are being told that the government plans to take away land from citizens for development.
The Jamaica Labour Party that I lead, and as your Prime Minister, we don't seek to dispossess people of what they own. Our policy is to create the ownership economy. You know what that means? We want to create the economy in which all of you here can own something of value in the economy.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.